Just wanted to do something simple, so I decided on the black and silver. I love it because we get to bond doing fun activities together. Yeah, I'm looking forward to more of it.
My two sons and my husband, so there are three colors: the dark blue, the light blue, and the turquoise. I love my team. They are awesome. Yeah, and I think it was very nice to just do something different together rather than always meeting, very serious and eat. Yeah, so it was something different. Yeah, it was fun. Yeah.
I choose three colors of different tones. So one is very dark, one is very neutral, and one super bright. It's just to show that, as a team, we have different people coming together, then create this beautiful piece of art.
I think luxury color, especially the gold, a bit outstanding. It's awesome because it's a little bit different from what we do most of the time, and it gives us 1 to 2 hours of self-internalization while we are doing this, because it's very calm and quiet.
Because it's my own team, so it's definitely very different from the normal sessions that I've conducted here. Of course, familiarity is something, and I feel closer. Juggling wise, we just have to really, because we get to work on our own timing, so it's very good that I am very free to set my own appointments, as well as to really reach out to my clients on my own timing, and on top of that, I have my business which I can manage at the same time.
Thank you for watching this video with KTP. See you in our next video.